I bought 2 of these Dawn Platinum refill bottles. The jugs cost almost $20 for both, but after I got them, I was shocked. They weren't concentrated. They're just refills. When it says refills 13-ounce bottles, that's exactly what it means. You're paying for size, not strength. And almost $20 for dish soap? That price feels high, but I use it a lot. Where I use it? I have used Dawn for years, and I did not want to change. It has served us well over the years, tackling everything from our home, of course. I use it in the garden, in the yard, our car care. It even cleans the tractor grease. It is great for mixing up homemade bug killer. I have no plans on changing my soap at this point, so I did a test. Instead of returning it and changing my ways, I tested something. I diluted it. And I expected it to feel weaker, but found it was strong. In fact, I feel it works even better. Here's the simple math. Here's something most people don't think about. 1 normal squeeze of dish soap is about half an ounce. These 2 jugs together are 103 ounces. That means, undiluted, you get around 200 days of washing if you use half an ounce a day. But when you dilute it 3 to 1, you turn that 103 ounces into over 400 ounces of usable dish soap. Same cleaning power. Way more use. Why it still works. Dawn Platinum is already strong. It's very thick. Most of us just use more than we need because, well, more suds make us feel it's cleaner. The bottle pours generously. We've always done it that way. Diluting it just makes it practical. How to mix it. 3 parts warm water. 1 part Dawn Platinum. Use warm water so it blends smoothly. Gently swirl. Don't shake unless you want a bubble explosion. That's it. Reframe the way you look at it. So instead of looking at $20 and thinking, that's expensive, I look at it as over 400 ounces of working soap. That feels different. Dawn Power Wash? And the same Dawn is what I use in my homemade power wash. If you want to stretch it even further, I'll link that video at the end. I'm curious. Do you dilute your dish soap already? Or use it full strength? Tell me in the comments. Sometimes the smartest savings aren't about buying cheaper. They're about using what you already have, smarter. For more money savers, give us a follow. See you in the next video.